Tallest roller coaster rides. Do you enjoy extreme amusement park rides and consider yourself a thrill seeker? Do you get the chills when a ride's drop suddenly becomes steep and rapid? If that's the case, consider yourself lucky. There are numerous amusement parks all over the world, and each one strives to offer the best rides. To beat their own height and velocity records, theme park builders are constantly expanding their facilities. Thrill seekers love the fact that the rides get crazier every year. Let's get some adrenaline pumping and check out 10 of the tallest rides in the world. Number 10. The Power Tower stands in at 91 meters. What about being propelled into the air? Do you find it thrilling? Maybe you've experienced the sensation of free fall from a high height. You'll have a great time on the Power Tower if you enjoy these types of feelings. This ride will take you up to 240 feet in the air and bring you hurtling back down at 60 miles per hour. Among the numerous exciting rides at Cedar Point Amusement Park in Sandusky, Ohio, is the Power Tower. The park also features a water park. The Power Tower stands at an impressive 91 meters tall, making it the park's highest roller coaster and the world's 10th tallest amusement park ride overall. Number 9 is the Leviathan at 93 meters. With the arrival of Yukon Striker, Canada's Wonderland seems set to break records of roller coaster length, speed, and height, all of which have been the subject of recent efforts at the park. The Leviathan roller coaster at Wonderland is currently the 6th tallest attraction of its kind in the world. The Leviathan, modeled after the legendary sea monster, has every twist and turn one would anticipate from a sea monster. This exhilarating ride takes you to heights of 93 meters, speeds of 92 miles per hour, and a descent of 80 degrees. Canada's Wonderland in Vaughan, Ontario, has rides for all ages and a water park for those hot summer days. Canadians don't do too bad, eh? Number 8 is the Millennium Force at 94 meters. With 2 roller coasters now ranked in our top 10, Cedar Point Amusement Park is a must-see for adrenaline junkies. Its Millennium Force roller coaster premiered in 2000 and was a thrilling way to welcome in the new millennium. With a drop of more than 300 feet and a top speed of 94 miles per hour, the ride has set world records for both biggest drop and fastest speed. Giga roller coasters were created since the old designation of giant roller coasters couldn't possibly accommodate them. At high speeds, it winds its way around bends and past lagoons, hilltops, and other rides. A fantastic coaster for speed enthusiasts to try out. What do you think? Number 7 is the Steel Dragon 2000 at 97 meters. By the new definition of the term, the Steel Dragon 2000 is also a giga coaster because it reaches heights of over 300 feet and makes a full circuit. Steel Dragon was 3 meters taller and 95 miles per hour faster than Millennium Force. In the year of the dragon, the year 2000, the Steel Dragon 2000 opened its doors to the public. It's one of the 3 most popular attractions of Japan's Nagashima Spa Land. There will be plenty of suspense because of the ride's many curves and drops. Number 6 is the Fury 325 at 99 meters. As was previously noted, amusement parks are constantly striving to outdo each other with the longest, fastest, largest, and tallest rides possible. It's the same with this ride. In 2015, the Fury 325 overtook the Steel Dragon 2000 as the tallest roller coaster to employ a typical lift hill. Another giga coaster, the Fury 325 reaches speeds of 95 miles per hour and heights of 99 meters. Located in North Carolina's Carowinds Amusement Park, this ride has an exhilarating 81-degree drop, followed by a 190-foot tall barrel spin at high speeds. Almost 1.25 miles in length and spanning the border between North and South Carolina, this roller coaster holds the title of longest steel coaster in North America. Number 5 is Red Force at 112 meters. A Ferrari-made roller coaster, no doubt, would be lightning fast and stunning. Anything Ferrari produces is as exhilarating as their automobiles. The size and scope of this mega coaster are equally remarkable. In under 5 seconds, it can accelerate from 0 to 112 miles per hour. The answer is a resounding yes after just 5 brief seconds. On its 880-meter length, it reaches a height of 112 meters. You can find this incredible roller coaster in the Catalan region of Spain in the Port Aventura World Amusement Park, namely in Ferrari Land. If you take this route fast enough, you might even start to imagine yourself driving a Ferrari. Number 4 is the Tower of Terror 2 at 115 meters. As its predecessor, Tower of Terror 2 excels at what it does best, scary drops. The riders are propelled backwards from the exit of a 206-meter tunnel at speeds of over 100 kilometers per hour in under 7 seconds. And if that's not terrible enough, you'll have to come crashing back to Earth face first at the same amazing speed. The tower may be seen in Dreamworld, an Australian amusement park. Over 20 years ago, in 1997, the ride set a new record for the fastest roller coaster by reaching a top speed of 100 miles per hour. A ride that will definitely have your heart racing. Number 3 is Superman, Escape from Krypton, at 126 meters. The Superman roller coaster will train you to become a superhero by throwing you backwards from a height of 126 meters and at an angle of 90 degrees. When you reach the pinnacle, you become a superhero and your adventures truly begin. You float in zero gravity for 6.5 seconds before crashing back to Earth at an incredible rate. Six Flags Magic Mountain in Los Angeles, California is home to this incredible attraction. Number 2 is the Top Thrill Dragster at 130 meters. The Top Thrill Dragster is the third amazing Cedar Point ride to be featured in our top 10 countdown. This lightning-fast vehicle can go from 0 to 120 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds. Just thinking about it makes your heart race. Then you're catapulted forward at an angle of 90 degrees, eventually topping out at 128 meters in altitude. If you have the nerve to look up, you'll be rewarded with a spectacular panorama of the park below. Just as quickly, however, you'll be hurling back toward the ground on a 270-degree curve that will bring the trip to a swift conclusion. Cedar Point is, without a doubt, a must-see amusement park if you're looking for some serious adrenaline rushes. And number 1 is Kingda Ka at 139 meters. Kingda Ka, the tall roller coaster at Six Flags Great Adventure in Jackson, New Jersey, rounds out our top 5 rides. It's the fastest coaster in North America and the tallest in the globe. Due to the tremendous amount of energy required to propel you up a tower that is 140 meters high, this ride blasts you out of the gates up a 90-degree climb and to 128 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. In a few seconds after that, you'll be reversing course and diving back down a 270-degree twist that culminates in a 40-meter camel hump, just to be sure your stomach is still in knots. An amazing journey that's not for the weak of stomach. Amusement parks are definitely fun, adventurous, and thrilling. A fun date activity, or if you want to experience being a kid again, as long as heights don't scare you. If you want a fun experience but heights really aren't your thing, definitely check out our video about the best go-karts, and hopefully they will impress you. Until next time.